Good morning, students. Myself Tandel Alpa. Today I am going to take a revision of chapter 1 Computer a Machine. As we know, computer is a very useful machine. It is used to almost everywhere like schools, homes, shops, offices, banks, hospital, etc. It has become an important part of our life. It has become an important part of our life. A computer has some wonderful features that make it different from a human. Let us know about them one by one. Computer and man. First is decision. A man can take his own decisions, but a computer cannot take his or own decisions. ह्यूमन बीइंग अपने डिसीजन खुद ले सकता है, लेकिन कंप्यूटर खुद डिसीजन नहीं लेता है. नाउ ऑर्डर. A man does not need order to work, but a computer works on man orders. Whenever we give a input or given commands, then only computer will work. Then feelings. A man has feelings. A computer does not have any feelings. Let me give an example. If you pinch your friend softly, he feels it. Yes, he feel it. But when you pinch a monitor, it does not react, right? Isn't it? Yes, it does not react. So we can say a man has feelings, but a computer doesn't have any feelings. Now storage. A man may forget the information stored in his mind. Whatever stored means हम भूल जाते हैं. हमको कुछ अगर बोला जाए, हमने कुछ लिख लिया, बट हम वो भूल सकते हैं. But computer can store a large amount of information and never forgets it. कंप्यूटर में अगर एक बार स्टोर किया जाए तो वो कभी भूलता नहीं है. टाइम. A man needs more time to do any work. A computer works fast and can do many jobs at a time. I give you one example. If I give some numbers for addition or multiplication, for you it's take too much time, but for computer it is quite easy, right children? Okay, very good. Now accuracy. Let me see what is accuracy. A man can make a mistake. Human being गलती कर सकता है. A computer does not make any mistake. कंप्यूटर से गलती होती नहीं है. कैसे? See, if we made a mistake, then computer will give wrong output. इसीलिए कंप्यूटर में एक सेंटेंस बोला जाता है, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट. मीन्स अगर हम गलत इनपुट देंगे तो हमको वो आउटपुट भी गलत ही देगा. सो मिस्टेक इज फ्रॉम आवर साइड ओनली. Work process. A man needs rest after working for some time. See, after some time we get tired, but computer does not get tired and can work for long hours. Now, let we see application of computers in various fields. Means कंप्यूटर अलग अलग फील्ड में कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है वो हम देखेंगे. यू मस्ट हैव सीन कंप्यूटर्स एट मैनी प्लेसेस. दे आर यूज्ड इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द फील्ड्स ऑफ लाइफ लाइक होम, स्कूल्स, ऑफिसेस, बैंक, शॉप, डिजाइनिंग सेगमेंट, रेलवे स्टेशंस, एयरपोर्ट एक्सेट्रा. लेट वी सी वन बाय वन. Computers in space technology. A number of satellites linked with computers provide a lot of information important for space research and helps in finding information about space and used for sending rockets into a space. See, there are so many uses of computers in space technology. Computer in media and entertainment. See, in media and entertainment. As we know, computers are used almost everywhere, right children? So in media houses, computers are also used for animation, for making presentation and so many things. And for entertaining, there are so many softwares available for their entertainment. And in designing segment also computer are used. It used for making cartoon films, movies, etc. Uses of computer for students means for you. Students use computers for preparing projects, learning different topics of a subject, writing homework, watching movies, listening music. Right children? In schools, how we are using computers in schools? You are using computers in school? Yes, for practical, right children? Now, in schools, computer are used for keeping records of books and details of students, for keeping details of teachers, making timetable, preparing results, and for teacher teaching different topics related to subject, right? I hope you understood about how computer are used in schools. Then computers in defense and research. In this segment also computers are used. Computers are useful in defense services. Modern weapons and missiles are dependent on computers. So, see, modern weapons and missiles are dependent on computers because these missiles and weapons will not work without computer, means computer is necessary for them. Then computers help scientists too for their research work. Now see, scientists are using searching out that vaccination of coronavirus, you know that. So computer also used for that also. Then computers help in making chemicals, as we know. Now quiz time. Ready children? So all the best. Answer the following. Dear students, this exercise I provide you by worksheet also, but you understood properly and you have to write this exercise in notebook. No more questions about this. Okay, now question number 1. What is computer? Computer क्या है? A machine. Number 2. Where do you see computers in your daily life? In schools, hospitals, banks, offices, homes, hotels, etc. Can computer take his own decisions? No, computer cannot take his own decision. Then 4 number. What happens when a man works for a long hours? अगर a man works for a long hours, what happened? He get tired. Does a computer need instructions to work? कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन चाहिए काम करने के लिए? Yes, it is required. Next question. Can computer store records? Yes, computer can store records. Answer is yes. Which computer are big in size? Desktop computers are big in size. Which computer is small in size and can be kept on our lap? It is laptop computer. The next question, does the computer have any feelings? No, computer does not have any feelings. Which type of computer has a touch screen? And that is tablet computer. So I hope you understand the exercise properly. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay healthy. Goodbye, children.